Hello everyone, how to hide duplicates without deleting data in Excel. So let's start. So here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to hide duplicate amount. So select this amount column. After that, go to the home tab. In styles group, click on the conditional formatting. Then click on the highlight cells rule. Then click on the duplicates value. And here the duplicates value dialog box is open. Click on this drop down arrow and select here the duplicate and value width. Click on this drop down arrow and select here customize format. Okay, here the format cell dialog box is open. You can see your selected data already duplicate value is highlighted. Now just go to the font tab. In font tab, in color option, just click on this drop down arrow and select here the white color. Okay, after that click on OK and that's it. You can see your duplicate value is hide. Okay, click on OK and done. So this is a way you can hide duplicates without deleting data. So hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.